is just like fact videos. And I was thinking of making some, and then I had an idea. What I'm thinking is that instead of making a video with a bunch of facts, maybe it would be better for me to make one, I guess, longer video on one certain topic, like for example, like space, or one thing that I was looking at is conspiracy theories. I don't really see that many ASM artists getting into like conspiracy theories, so I could make a whole video going in depth on some conspiracy theories and just, I guess, uploading that. If you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments, or leave a certain conspiracy theory that you guys would want me to kind of go over. But yeah, you guys can sit back, relax, learn about it, and I mean, I'm always interested in things like that, so why not make videos about those things? But anyways, yeah, that's just for future videos. For this video, I had a couple of facts that I actually wrote down a long time ago. But you know what? I might as well use them. I try to get facts that I haven't heard in other ASMR videos, but I feel like some of these you probably already heard. With that being said, I got all these facts from like from the internet, obviously, but I didn't really double check to make sure that all these were real. So if by any chance any of these are false information, I apologize. And yeah, I didn't double check to make sure that all of this information was 100%. So I mean, this is for entertainment, entertainment purposes, however you say that. So yeah, you guys just enjoy. Okay, so I guess the first one that I will start with is, because I have two. I have ocean facts and I have earth facts, and then I don't know if I wrote anything else, because I know I had a couple. But anyways, I don't want to make the video long as well. Alright, so I guess I'll just start with facts about Earth, is what I titled it. Anyways, fact number one will be Earth's rotation is slowing down. It happens so slowly that it could take 140 million years before the length of a day increases to 25 hours. That is really interesting. So, in 140 more million years, if you guys are still alive, you have one more hour to do whatever you want. I guess that's another hour for me to either procrastinate my sleep or another hour for me to be asleep. That's interesting. Okay, so it says out of all our water, only 3% is fresh water. And I'm pretty sure everybody kind of knows this. This like a fact I was taught in school. Sorry about that. There's like a really loud motorcycle passing by. But anyways, 3% is fresh water, and out of the 3%, only 1% is accessible. The other 2% is frozen in, well, it just says frozen, but I mean, pretty sure it's frozen like in the glaciers in the North Pole, things like that. The third fact is Asia takes up 30% of Earth's land area, but it has 60% of the world's population. 30% of Earth's land area and has 60% of the world's population. That is crazy. Okay, and the next one, oh, I guess I was doing this over the solar system because now we're going to some facts about Mars. Mars is 37% of Earth's gravity, meaning you can there's somebody on a motorcycle or somebody like in their Honda Civic. It has like that really ricey sound, but anyways, I just keep passing by. It is currently midnight, so I guess they're just trying to race and avoid the police. But anyways, Mars is 37% of Earth's gravity, meaning you can leap nearly 3 times higher than you could on Earth, just because gravity's weaker, or gravity's weaker, so you weigh less technically, and you float more easily. So me being like 170 pounds, I would be like what? Well, like between 55, 60 pounds, somewhere around there. Well, it's 37%. Well, let's just say 60 pounds or whatever. That's what I would weigh. Alright, Mars has the largest dust storms. They can even cover the entire planet and last for months. That is crazy, especially since they're saying that they want to colonize Mars, correct? So, wow, imagine that, living there and there's like these huge sandstorms that can cover the planet for months. That's crazy. Just wake up and, well, I'm pretty sure if it's like covering the planet, it would be hard to like do crops, or you know, you'll probably wake up and for like if it lasts months, wouldn't the planet be like really dark? I don't know, I guess that's something that the future scientists have to figure out. Alright, it says Mars got its name from the Roman god of war due to its color. Chinese astronomers called it the fire star, while the Egyptians called it the red one. Earth is the only planet in the solar system not named after a Greek or Roman deity. Or god, I guess. And facts about Jupiter. I remember this because Jupiter, I remember in I think it was 5th grade, I had to do a project, and I had to do a project about, or I think it was facts about Jupiter, and I don't know, I really enjoyed that. I guess that's why Jupiter's like my favorite planet. So it says Jupiter is the planet known as the gas giant due to it being primarily made up of gas and two and a half times bigger than all other planets combined. That is massive. Jupiter orbits the sun every 11.8 Earth years, and a day in Jupiter is 9 hours and 55 minutes. Wow. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm that's been going on for at least 350 years. And I think I read in other parts, like some people were saying it's been like 250 years, and others were saying it was more than 300 is the most distant object you can spot with the naked eye. Andromeda Galaxy is expected to collide with Earth in about 4.5 billion years. It's heading towards us at 120 kilometers per second, or a bit faster than 268,000 miles per hour. That would be an incredible view. Imagine just looking up and you can see a whole galaxy coming towards you. And then that's another thing, it's like this galaxy is going 268,000 miles per hour. That's insane. And it's going to take, what did I say, 2.4 billion? I'm sorry, 4.5 billion years to reach our galaxy. I put expected to collide with Earth. I meant to collide with our galaxy, the Milky Way. 4.5 billion years, that's insane. But that would be an amazing view. Wow. That is incredible. And that also makes me wonder how fast we are going. Because I know whenever, like, the Milky Way is, like, moving through space, it's going really fast. We just don't know it. Same as for Earth. Earth is, like, spinning really quick. We just don't feel it. Next fact is, because most stars are far away, you're actually seeing what they look like thousands of years ago, due to the time it takes their light to reach us. The next fact is, red giant Betelgeuse is 1,000 times bigger than our sun and is expected to go supernova in the next 1,000 years. Wow. I'm pretty sure if that happens, that could probably affect Earth. I was reading a fact where they're talking about how there's actually a red giant, I believe, that's close by, and if it were to go supernova, our Earth would light up, like the sky would be lit up for days or for months, and it could happen at any moment. I forgot if I read that or if I heard it in an ASMR video, but I mean, it's always interesting. You never know what's going on in space at all times. Okay, so the second part is ocean facts, and I have just a couple. I don't have that many. Like I said, I wasn't ever really planning on doing this, but you know what? I kind of fell in love with that, just making ASMR videos for you guys. So I'm gonna try to be more active and keep on making videos, as long as you guys enjoy them. If you don't, I'll stop. Alright, ocean facts. Fact number 1. Did you guys know that we know more about the moon I was thinking 30%, but I guess not. Which is kind of crazy, because I remember when I was in school, like in middle school, and I would read like National Geographic, and they would come out with the new magazines, like alien fish found in deep waters, and they were finding all these crazy new species, and I was so amazed by that. But it says here just 5% of Earth's oceans have been explored and charted, especially the ocean below the surface. The rest remains mostly undiscovered and unseen by humans. The oceans account for 70% of Earth's surface. In other words, humans haven't yet explored or discovered about 65% of Earth's surface area. It seems space exploration is moving at a faster speed than ocean exploration. That's crazy. We know more about other planets than we do our own. I mean, obviously we know everything about, well, not everything, but most things about like our land, but not our ocean. And you never know what could be hiding there. Whether it be like, I don't know, you know how people talk about like the lost city, like Atlantis and stuff like that. I mean, you never know. You could have, continents that probably, are not continents, but like little massive lands that drowned, or things that are just hidden under the sea. Treasure and all kinds of things. Boats from millions or thousands of years ago, that, whenever they were crossing from one side of the continent to the other, that crashed or just got lost. Airplanes, all that stuff. I wonder what, like in the Bermuda Triangle, when they say they lose all these ships and planes and all that stuff. It says, well, there are two reasons ocean exploration is so difficult. For starters, the technology used to chart the oceans and ocean floors is relatively new. Ocean satellites, submarines, and advanced sonar, it's SONAR, have only been used in ocean exploration for the last 50 plus years. And as this technology improves, scientists have been able to discover more of the oceans and map a greater percentage of the ocean floors. Yet, even with technology, the ocean is so vast. Consider this: at its deepest, the ocean is 7 miles deep, which is the Mariana Trench. We knew that. In other words, under the surface, the oceans contain about 99% of livable space on the planet. And it's this area below the surface that scientists know very little about. Wow. See, now I'm just reading this. I'm so sorry. I'm getting off topic. And the other reason would be this inability to see the oceans what makes space exploration, ocean exploration so vastly different. With space exploration, scientists can see everything that's in front of them using telescopes. With ocean exploration, we can't see very far. Light doesn't go deep into open water. Oh, this is another one that I was actually about to bring up, but they obviously they had to talk about it. The deepest part of ocean pressure is significant. At the deepest part, it's the equivalent of having 50 airliners on top of you, and that's significantly more pressure than the body can handle. The depths of the oceans are extremely cold and dark, and that makes traveling there difficult for scientists. In fact, it's easier to send a person to space than it is to send one down to the bottom of the deepest part of the ocean. Wow. And then, if you guys were interested, it also says space exploration is much newer, yet it seems scientists have made more progress. But it says to date, scientists have explored about 4% of the visible universe. Wow, 4%. And you wonder what's out there. A whole nother civilization could be out there. A much more smarter one. Or a much more dumber one. I mean, well, not dumber, but less advanced. Yeah. Anyways, let's get back into the facts. We're almost done. Alright, so, I don't know if you heard that loud hit, but it's my cats. They like to play on the roof really late at night. Either that or it's the wind, because we've been having pretty bad thunderstorms for like the past couple days. Okay, let me skip that one because it's the same fact I wrote earlier about the water being 3%. The next fact is the Great Barrier Reef can be seen from space. Man, I guess whenever I read that ocean article, it kind of had some information that I had, because like the next fact was going to be that we only know about 5% of our oceans. And then the next one is about the Mariana Trench, saying the Mariana Trench is a little over 336,000 feet deep, or a little under 7 miles, which is what they said, being the deepest recorded point in the ocean. Number 6 is pressure at the bottom of this trench can be 1,000 times greater than on surface levels. And that's crazy to think, because the submarines that you need to make to be able to go that low have to be like super high quality. I forget if it was like on National Geographic where they made a whole documentary where they were going down and the pressure was so high that it kind of started to squeeze the metal, so they had to like pull them back up really quickly to avoid, for that all that pressure squeezing the submarine together. But I'm pretty sure, later on, as long as we keep improving our technology, someday we'll be able to explore all of Earth. But like I said, there's a lot of things that we'll find there, whether it be like shipwrecks or like treasures or just different kind of species that we probably never seen before. Photosynthesis is no longer possible past 200 meters down the ocean. Again, because the lower you get, the more drastically the light last fact. Okay, past 1,000 meters, no light reaches that length, so everything is pitch black. And that is about, I believe that's everything I have. Yep, that is, oops, sorry if that's kind of loud. But I believe that is all the facts that I have. Let me check my other book real quick, because I know I believe I had a couple more, but I'm already getting to that 30-minute mark. So I'll probably just do some more research and make another fact. I kinda enjoyed it actually, so I might make more fact videos. But like I said, I also would like to make videos where